Hello to you. The world's third largest economy is booming again, and that's news because the Chinese economy is growing at a truly astonishing pace, apparently shrugging off global recession. Are there lessons there for the rest of the world? China achieved an annual growth rate of nearly 8% between April and June, even though its export markets in the US and in Europe collapsed. It's done it by pumping money on a massive scale into public infrastructure projects and ordering banks to lend. Chris Hogg reports from Shanghai.
China is back in business sooner than some had expected. There are signs that a recovery is underway here. Companies are buying more equipment, hiring more staff. Firms and their customers are more optimistic. The government's statisticians are still cautious though. Prices are dropping, they pointed out today. Deflation's not healthy for any economy, and there are still serious challenges ahead.
The
recovery trend is still unstable. Its recovery structure is still unbalanced. There are unstable and unknown factors in the recovery process. For the next phase of development, we need to fully implement the principles of scientific development.
What that means is they want to see improvements in all sectors of the economy before they'll say a fully fledged recovery is underway. The government's stimulus package has created lots of jobs on new infrastructure projects, but the export sector's still suffering.
So far, we believe that the main driver has been the government stimulus, both in the form of increased fiscal spending as well as very massive expansion of banking credit that has led to infrastructure related investment. Well, at the same time, actually, China's exports continue to decline, so global demand certainly have not contributed positively to China's growth.
Still, there are many here who feel the worst is behind them. If China's on the road to recovery, that's good news for the rest of us. Not because it's strong enough to pull other countries out of the slump, it's probably not. But because if this, the world's third largest economy, had continued to decline, that would have made the global picture a lot worse. Chris Hogg, BBC News, Shanghai.